Hello YouTube, welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Today we're out in the garage. I want to show you guys this new compressor I bought from Home Depot. I'm really impressed with it. I think it's pretty awesome for the price, so I really want to share it with you guys. I've been picking at the garage little by little. Currently I'm working on my toolbox. I'm cleaning that all out. Putting all new liners in the toolbox. So that's a big project. I got something to share with you at the end of the video about that I'll talk about. But right now I want to show you the compressor that I bought. It's a Huskey 4.5 gallon silent air compressor. They say it's 80% quieter. And I'm gonna tell you right now, it is definitely not a lie. It is super quiet. And here being in a condo complex, that was very important to me. So what you have here is it's got the tanks in the back there. It's on wheels, you could roll it around. You have your tank pressure, your regulator adjustment. This is the regulator output pressure. It's got 2 line outs, which is nice. I have my airline hooked here, but if I wanted to put an oiler tool or something else out of the other side, has 2 ports. Has a drain valve, so when you're done, you could open it up and blow all of the condensation water out of the tanks, empty the tanks of air. Very nice. And I'll run it for you in a second so you could hear it. I paid $219 for this from Home Depot. Really good price. I didn't need a giant compressor because it's mostly for putting air in the tires and doing small stuff. I don't plan on running giant air tools off of it, so it should be good for me. And any of my air nailers or anything like that, if I have a project I want to do, it should have no problem with that. It's 4.5 gallons. Up to 175 PSI max, 1.3 horsepower, 3.0 SCFM at 90 PSI. So up here you'll see I also purchased the Huskey. This is the 3/8 by 50 foot hybrid air hose with enclosure hose reel. Super nice. You pull it out and when it clicks, you could stop there at any lengths. See, it'll click again and then it stops and locks. Give it a little pull. She'll wind back up. Really convenient to have. That I paid $99.98 for. Here's the booklets that they came with. This was the compressor. I will put a link in the description to the compressor and the reel. Okay, Very impressed with this. So what I'll do is I'm gonna put the microphone toward the compressor at this point, and we're gonna fire it up. I mean, this thing is really quiet. My other compressor, you couldn't even hear yourself think it was so loud. Being in the condo here, this is just really nice. So you see the tank pressure's coming up, the regulator pressure's coming up with it. I don't know where it's set at right now, but really nice. I have some air there, blow things off. Like I said, it's got this will probably be louder than the compressor, the release valve. You can let all the air out of the tank. Let me turn my microphone back the other way. All right, so that's my Huskey air compressor out in the garage. I'm getting my garage together slowly but surely. It's been very slow. Work's been busy. Just got a lot going on. Got the bikes. That one's covered up over there. Like I said, I'm working on my toolbox here. My father was an auto mechanic. This was his toolbox. He was nice enough to give it to me. My grandfather was a machinist, and my father had a lot of his stuff in this toolbox also. So what I'm doing is I'm relining all the shelves in this, and my intention is I'm gonna pull all the tools out once I have all the liners cut, go through them, reorganize, redo the toolbox. But I'll probably do a video at the end of this. It'll be very interesting. There's tools in this box that I've seen. I have no idea what they're for. So I'm either gonna ask my father, hey, do you know what this tool was for? Or it was something that my grandfather made. So anything that I can't really identify that's kind of strange at the end, maybe I'll do a video, show you guys, and maybe you could tell me what kind of tool it is. All right, so I know this was a quick one. Guys, I'm telling you, that compressor for $219, I'm not paid by Home Depot or paid by anybody to advertise anything, but I'm telling you, for what I paid and how quiet it is, absolutely thumbs up, the best. So any questions, leave it in the comments. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and hopefully next time we'll be out on the bike doing a vlog, get a little riding in. All right, so until the next video, this is Carl saying laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe.